What is up, all of my beautiful family, friends, and loved ones? In this week's video, we got some updates. We're going to talk about a few things, and I got a new product to show you. Stick around, stay tuned, and let's roll to that intro. Get in a car like this and smile, there's something wrong with you. Welcome back, all you beautiful people, once again to the Bad LSX Garage YouTube channel. I'm glad each and every one of you decided one more time to stop back here to see what's going on here at the garage, at the compound, and I just want to salute each and every one of you for stopping by. I greatly appreciate that. Now, as I stated in the beginning, we have some updates, and we also have a new product that we're going to showcase today. But we're going to start first with the updates. As you can see, this doesn't look anything like what we left off with last week. This would be a better representation of what the filter looked like. The way this filter is designed, I can actually make it to where it looks like one of those big $300 see-through filter designs. So I got the old heat gun out, went around the edge, took my pocket knife, traced around the edge, and just pried it up a little bit, and voila, this actually popped away. So now we don't have that little button that was hanging out. Now we don't have the gargoyle, but now we have an open design air filter. Well, that's all well and good, but you can't leave it like that. So I got on our favorite jungle website, Amazon, and found these little, they call them coasters. They actually will make for a coaster, or you can drill little holes through them, and your wife can use them to draw pictures on and hang on the Christmas tree, whatever. They're clear, even though it doesn't look that way, it is. It's got little film on it that you can peel off on both sides and it becomes clear. And all I did was take this little 5-inch disc and wedge it in between the air filter and this plate. And this is what I have. Now you can also glue this if you'd like. There again, it's not glued, it's just laid in there. Still a tight seal. And the best part about it, you still didn't have to pay that Harley-Davidson tax. Less than 200 bucks. In fact, less than 180 bucks. I think with a 30 pack of these little clear 5-inch lenses, it was like 12 or 18 bucks or something like that. So give half of them to your wife, throw them away. I don't know, I gave half to my wife and I'm gonna put these up. I may need them for something else, who knows? If you've watched this channel any period of time, you know that I'm a huge advocate for, if you can do it cheaper, absolutely. Cheap and good do go together. Even though there's a lot of people out there that will tell you that it doesn't work that way, I think I've debunked that for the most part. It's a myth. It's all in your mind. If you do your due diligence, if you do your research, you can actually come out with some nice products for cheaper. For instance, with this 2024 roadglide, we've added parts from Amazon and eBay. We've added the Macardine hand guards that came from Amazon. We've added the Running Panther fairing extensions, also from Amazon. We just added that air cleaner from eBay. Now, did we modify that air cleaner? Of course we did. Did we have to? No, we could have ran it just the way it was, but I wanted to personalize it. I wanted to make it my own. About once a week, I'll get on Amazon or eBay and I'll type in 2024 roadglide or 2018 Silverado, or even 2011 streetglide, and just see what pops up. I'll death scroll and just check out products, see what's available, see what's changed, and just go from there. Well, this product that's in this box today, I've seen on Amazon for quite some time. I've read the reviews several times, and I've always thought, you know, I'll check this out. Well, I finally checked it out. I finally hit up the company and asked them, hey, would you want to do a collaboration with the Bad LSX Garage? They said, absolutely. Send us what you're looking for. So I sent it to them, and this is what they sent me. Oh, that's sick. That's sick. Let me get you guys in here. I just don't think you guys are ready. Are you ready for this? Check it out. This is the ccrider seat from Amazon, fam. It is the solo seat and also comes with the P-pad. You've got both together. I've checked out the reviews on this for months. Everybody says that this seat, or these seats, it actually comes from ccrider, are the bomb. They're soft, and I can attest to that. They are freaking, it's soft. It's really, really soft. They say they're a lot softer than the factory Harley-Davidson seat, which in my personal opinion, I kind of dig this seat, but I don't want to ruin it. It's already starting to, you know, get marks and stuff on it, and I just don't want to tear it up. But not only that, just check this out. It's got the orange stitching. You've got different designs that you can choose from, but I thought, you know, look, just a little bit of orange on this will just make it pop a little more. People will be like, there's something different about that bike. What is it? ccrider, that's what it is. At first glance, you would think this is a two-tone seat, but it's actually not. It is actually black. You have your black in the middle, you have your black on the outer edge, but dividing the two, you have the Alcantara. It's also in black. You also have the baseball stitching around it with the solid orange stitching around it as well. Just awesome looking. It's ventilated, and the P-pad is too, so you're not gonna get so hot on your bootay. And the padding is insane. That's probably the best feeling seat that I've felt in quite some time. And like I said, I'm still partial to the stock Harley-Davidson seat. The only thing that I dislike about this is that they say, ccrider says this, I don't. They say that you cannot run the backrest. Is that true or not? You know how we roll around here. We'll try to figure out some way, because I want to keep my backrest, but if not, we'll figure something out. But that looks sick. Guys, that's awesome. That is going to make this bike pop that even much more. Thank you, ccrider, and thank you for sponsoring this video. And just for reference, it does come with a strap, and it also comes with the necessary hardware to bolt this seat up. Now, I'm not going to go into great details how to put this seat on. If you can't bolt a seat onto your motorcycle, you probably don't need to be watching this video. That easy, about 5 minutes. That's about all it'll take. It's a seat, guys. It can't be that hard, but I'm telling you, it definitely set this bike off. I didn't think a seat would actually change the looks of a bike, but this did. And the colors match pretty good, to be honest. The orange, it makes it pop. And that lighter orange, I don't know. That just gave me some other ideas, but we won't talk about that right now. It looks good. It fits good. There's no complaints here, guys. The only true test now is honestly to sit on it and see how it feels. So let's check it out. Oh yeah, I can already tell you that it feels like it's scooting me back just a little bit and kind of put me down a little bit. That's good. That's really good. And it's not hard. It feels really nice, guys. I'm kind of impressed. Everybody said in the reviews that it was a good, soft, rideable seat, and I can see that. I could definitely see that. I believe the true test is going to have to be when we lay down some serious miles, but for right now, I'm surprised, and I'm very, very happy. They say that you can't add a backrest to this seat, but I believe you can. Just with a little bit of trimming, a little bit of cutting, and a little bit of finesse, I'll be right back in business. Before we move on to the next and final update, do you see anything different? All I could say is don't never tell me that I can't do something, because I'm going to go through hell and high water to make it happen. As long as I have this brain and just a little bit of tools, I can do about anything. So yes, you can put a backrest on these ccrider seats that say that you cannot put a backrest on. I just made it happen. Now you will have to have a cutoff wheel and you'll have to have a marker. All you need is to mark out your solo seat, a little section for your bracket for your backrest, and the same for the P-pad. Just mark out a little section, take your grinder, cut it, fit it right into place. Now it is a little bit hard trying to get this bracket for the backrest mounted with all of this. My hands are fat. If you've got fat hands, it's going to be hard to get in there, but it can be done. And well, this is proof. If you watched the video a couple of weeks ago, you know that we changed the fluid and filter in this 2018 Silverado. We upgraded with the Mobile One, the full synthetic HP LV, the blue label. We changed the full fluid, did the full flush. At the end of that video, I told you guys that I would let you know that somewhere around 150 to 200 miles is generally what it takes to fix this problem or to at least alleviate it. But I can honestly say after around 50 to 75 miles, the shake is gone. This transmission is a new machine. Now, I don't know if it's there's a combination of things that we've done here. We've actually went in and tuned with HP tuners this 6L80 transmission. Now, you can go in previous videos on down the playlist and actually see that. But we was still having the shake. So I contacted a personal friend of mine. He recommended to me to do the flush with the fluid. And guys, I gotta tell you, it fixed the truck. It is on point. Shifting amazing. The rumble strip sound is gone. And it's just an all new truck. I'm sorry, fam, that this video is a smorgasbord of different things, but I told you in the beginning that it was gonna be an update video and showcasing a new product. I didn't lie to you. My final thoughts and opinions about everything that we showed here today. And we're gonna start with the air cleaner. Would I pick this up? Absolutely, I would absolutely do it again. Would I do the update that I did? Yes. To me, it showcases the throttle body. It makes your bike look more expensive than what it really is. It just brings that out. It pops a little more. And for under 200 bucks, I just don't think you're going to go wrong. And I will leave a link in the description for not only the air cleaner, but if you want to buy those little 5-inch discs from Amazon and do the exact same update that I did. Next on the list is this ccrider motorcycle seat. Now, guys, go through Amazon, find ccrider, look at all their reviews, look at all their seats. They're a high quality company. They're just not some off brand that's just trying to push crap parts. This is amazing. I got to be honest with you. I expected it to be good, but I didn't honestly expect the piping, the stitching to look as good as it did. I didn't expect it to match the bike as good as it did. It just brought another element out on this bike. It just made it pop a little more, in my opinion. Now, I like the stock seat. I'm probably one of the very few who do like the stock seat, but it feels similar. It feels a little more cushiony. And as soon as I lay down some miles on it and get it broke in good, I'll definitely update you guys on that as well. And I think you guys know how I feel now about the Backwoods transmission flush. Yes, it's a little costly. About 350 bucks, I believe, is what I have wrapped up the fluid filter and the hoses and everything. But that's a lot cheaper than $3,000 to $7,000. And the way it looks, it's going to be a preventative maintenance type of deal anyway. You're going to have to do this again because the shake's going to come back again. It's just the nature of the beast. That fluid's going to break down. It's just going to happen. But now we know. Now we can at least address the problem. And maybe later on, I don't know, we'll see. It may get a torque converter. We may put an aftermarket torque converter in this and just call it done and over with. But that's a story for another day and another time. Fam, if you've enjoyed this video, go down there and give old dad a big thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you're teetering whether to, subscribe or not, maybe go watch a few more videos. See if we're a match. Check out my shorts as well. If you know we're a match, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you. You'll be a part of the family. I love each and every one of you, like I said, and until next week. Are you ready? Let's do this. Peace. I'm out.